Hi, it's Michelle Caron here, VP of Sales with Solera. I'm here at the 2024 SEMA show. Once again, phenomenal outcome. We're really excited with all the applications that we have. We have anything from mechanical to collision to visual intelligence right now. We get into AI. We can actually write a preliminary estimate on the collision side just by photos. Less than 2 minutes we can create an estimate just from the photos itself. We're really, really excited. We've had that for about 6 years now, but it's really evolving to that next level because we are a global company. The data that comes in, we have about 1 million photos coming in every month, so the machine continues to learn. It's really, really cool. What we've just introduced this year, more specific around the global aspect. It's now launched in Canada as well, Europe, eventually in the US. It's not as prominent right now, but is around sustainability. So we can report on the carbon footprint by each shop as how they're actually repairing the vehicle. So whether or not they're using recycled parts or green parts versus new OEM parts, we can measure the CO2 footprint on that. So there's a lot of reporting requirements that are coming into play from various countries and or governments, and we're addressing that through sustainable estimatics. So we're really excited about that side of things. Hopefully you guys can come by, stop by the booth. We have a lot of demos here, and we'll answer any questions you have.